Roblox is a popular online gaming platform and game creation system that allow users to create and play games created by other users. It combines social interaction with a user-friendly game development environment. How can you get back your account if your account you can jump simply in the Roblox, you can recover your account in simple steps. First, you have to double check your username and password to ensure that they are entering correctly. If check your caps lock button and different email address and phone number, if that's the right, then you can go to the next option. You can go to the reset page of the forgot name or user. Here you can recover your Roblox account, you can enter your email address, then the OTP and the code will be submitted to your account of your Gmail and email, whatever your provider is. If you don't have an email or maybe you forgot it, you can just simple select your country and then you can select your phone number and that's it. This is how you can recover your Roblox gaming account. Roblox again is a popular online gaming platform and game creation system that allow users to create and play games created by other users. It combines social interaction with a user-friendly game development environment. And I'll see you in the next one.